Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing the image file you will use in Roblox. Use a 512x 512 PNG or JPG file under 1 MB for best results. Open the Roblox website and sign in with your account credentials. Navigate to Create and choose Decals to upload the image file. Give the decal a clear name so you can find it later. Wait for Roblox to process the upload fully before continuing. Copy the asset ID from the decal URL for use in your game. Open Roblox Studio and load the game you want to edit. For a 3D object, select the part and insert a decal or texture into it. For screen interfaces, insert a screen GUI, then add an image label to it. Set the image property to rbzacetid / plus the asset ID number you copied earlier. Adjust scale, transparency, and offset to position the picture precisely. Save the changes to the local place file before publishing your updated game to Roblox. After making changes, save and publish the place to Roblox servers immediately. Open Play Mode in Studio or join the published game to verify the picture displays correctly. If the image does not appear, clear the Roblox cache and reload the game to rule out local issues. Upload the decal with the correct 512x 512 dimensions and PNG or JPG format if needed. Check decal permissions and group ownership settings to ensure the asset is accessible.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.